Let's get a show on the road.
Yo, what's poppin'? It is your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is a joy to have you here. Yes, I am bringing you another video. VIP has been absolutely popping. Gold is going crazy. We are aiming for the 2000s with gold, but VIP have been eating, and I need to show you the strategy with gold, a fundamental strategy on why, we caught these sells at 1915, and also how we are making so much money with gold, because I'm not even joking. VIP have been getting 20+% every single week. Today is Wednesday, bank holiday Monday. I didn't trade Tuesday. I caught 7.5% on just one trade with 20 pip per sell. Insane risk to reward, baby, because that is what it's about, guys. If you are trading right now, risk management, risk to reward, and obviously the quality of the trade, quality over quantity. Guys, if you are new around here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe as well, put that notification bell on, because you know your boy TJ is dropping a video one every 3 days on this channel, and I'm not even gonna lie, the channel's absolutely booming. Let me just show you something quickly. Woohoo! Your channel views are up 180% as people are watching some of your videos. Jeez! Look at that! Let's go, baby! Honestly, thanks so much for the support. It's been absolutely crazy. Blessed for everyone supporting me in the VIP. 235 members right now as well. You guys are insane, and it's blessed to have you guys on the Discord. Check it out, link in description. We got free trades in Discord. In the Discord, there's a public chat, the VIP chat. In the public chat, everyone's so blessed. You can see members' profits as well. Let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let's get into this gold analysis. Obviously, we're on the replay mode right now. So look, your boy TJ, okay, I like sending gold trades. I trade gold a lot. It's very easy for me to understand gold and know how gold works. I'm confident with my analysis when I actually enter trade. For example, it's Wednesday right now. Send one trade in VIP and we hit 7.5%. 1 out of 1. I don't send, loads of trades, but the trades I do send are quality trades. Probably will send about 2, 3, maybe in the week, but we're hitting over 20% every single week, and this is literally how. So obviously, as you can see, at 1878 we saw gold go bullish, and we know that gold's on a bullish uptrend, and it made a new high, and this new high was created at 1912. It's pretty straightforward, and obviously the trade that we took was sells at 1915, so we're gonna actually get through that. But I thought if I actually show you how gold moved previously beforehand, then you will be able to understand why I actually made the call at 1950. So we will see that gold has come and made a new high to 1912, and it couldn't actually break, and it actually started selling off. This sell-off indicates that price has made a new high and now will go low. And as you can see, it come all the way back down to 1882. Gold went from 1912, 1930 to 1882. Why has it gone from 1882? The bullish engulfing candle from the previous lows. Look at these, 1, 2, 3 lower highs. Price couldn't break below. We're going on the uptrend. Look at gold. It did the same here. Pushed up, bullish engulfing, made new highs, come back down low from where that bullish engulfing was on the body, wicked out on the body on the lower high wick. 1853 went down to 1852, and then went back up high. And then as you can see, it's gone bullish all the way from 1912. We've now touched and collected orders at 1881, which we caught sells. We caught these sells in VIP, okay, last week on the 26th of May. So now we see my target was for price to come down to, just below the bullish engulfing body at 1884, and we actually come down to 1882. Now you'll be looking for buys to break through the previous high at 1912. So you'll be looking at about 1915, 1916. It's called a fundamental trade. Now I'll obviously show you how it actually moves and why it wicks out, but this is a wick out motion. And if we actually click play here, you will see price just collect orders from 1882 and come all the way back up, okay? And this is why sniper entry is so important. Your boy TJ, look at my SLs, 20 pip SL, 20 pip SL. My SL's 20 pips every time because I'm looking for that risk reward, 100 pips plus on my TPs. You need that risk reward. And as you can see, price touch, collected orders 1882. So what the banks want to do, the retail traders would be absolutely GG right now. And price comes, breaks through the 1912 mark, and I just obviously, we're gonna go slow here and we're just gonna show you how it moves. All of this is noise, okay? Gold's gonna go back up. It's on a bullish. The market direction is bullish. So just because the market direction bullish, doesn't mean you can't have a bit of bearish sell-off. And this is typical to make money from retail traders. If you actually look how easy it is, you know, you just mark up the previous highs and where the bullish engulfing candle is to actually like the momentum it took place. And look here, this is what I want to show you. 1914, 1915. Now as you can see, we broke above, okay, and this is the smartest spin ever. There, bang, this is here. This is what I wanted to show you guys. We touched. People are thinking we're getting sells here, we're getting sells, let's get in. And this is where you go wrong. This is where 90% of traders mess up. They'll be entering sells right here at 1914. Your boy TJ is waiting for it to wick above. Look here, right here. What does it do? It comes up to 1912, pulls back a little bit, wicks out, and then drops. What does it do here? Wicks out, then goes back up. What's it gonna do here? Price made new highs. It's gonna collect. You know, right now we're zoning. It's a zone. We're in zones. It's not gonna break through right now. This is a Tuesday. We're not looking for a breakthrough, but we're looking for that wick out. We're looking for that fundamental wick out where you can get sells. And this is the difference between, you know, someone who trades as a retail trader and someone who trades full time for many, many years. You know, they'll be confident enough on their analysis to take sells here, even though people will be buying, sorry. There'll be people buying, they'll be like, it's gonna break, that's buy. No, it's not gonna break, it's going for sells, because it's gonna come back to 1880 to 1882 to collect orders to then break through, okay? Price is not ready. It needs more confirmations in order it to go down. Now our stop line was 1917. 20 pip per sell. I take profit. We had TP1 at 1909 for 60 pips and TP2 at 1903, okay, which obviously they both hit, okay, they both hit, but we'll show you what actually took place. Now this is where, see this, I call my sell sniper entry on the wick out. Now the reason why sniper entry is so important, because I use a tighter sell from a risk to reward, I don't want any drawdown, no drawdown. And if prices to come back, and before I even took the trade, if I enter in here, it's either going to come back to 1907, 1912, okay? 1912, it will probably come back to then go down. But because we're getting sniper entry on the fundamental wick out, price should never, ever, ever come back to this unless you know, there's a lot of buyers in the market. But the reason why you get the sniper entry is because price should never come back. You know, SL entry, risk-free trade, because using such tight SLs, you don't want to take any risk with 1%. So as soon as it goes 15, 20 pips in profit, you put your SL entry, as we always do in VIP. Shouldn't come back. You know, the most it should come is 1912, 1914, you know, on this previous high to make a shoulder. You get me? Like, price should not come down. And look at this, look what happens. This is our trade that we actually took in VIP, and as I said, we're 1-on-1 this week. Look at that, look at that. And this is what I want to say. You see how price wicked down, come back up to 1912 as predicted. Where's 1912? This high, and then price spiked down, this wick out. So price technically come back to the previous wick out of the highs and then sold off again. So we actually closed here, as I can show you on the screen, but then I was waiting for it to come to 1940 to get sells again, but it come to 1912 in the old previous high where it wicked out. It's so obvious, you know, when you actually think about it. You gotta be a step ahead of the market, right? And it's just so simple the way the market moves. It's come up, collect price at that 1912, and then continued to sell off. And this is why it's important to get sniper entry, because you see it pulling back there at basically 1912, 1911. But if you got entry at 1912.50, if you got entry at 1912.50, sorry, let me do that again. If you got entry at 1912.500, then you wouldn't have got SL entry, because price come back up to 1911.998 and then sold off again. And that's why you need to get the sniper entries on the fundamental. And then look at that, continues to break down. I'll show you some screenshots on the screen right now. I actually had two 0.50s on it. I made like over $1,000. I held my trades, but I'm aiming for 1882. So I'm going to show you where gold is right now. It is insane where it is. Look what's happening. We spiked down at 1892. Gold is going to go to 1880 or 1882 and then go back up. So I'm not entering the market now. You wouldn't enter this. This is all noise. It's not worth entering this. It really is not worth entering. You do not enter, okay? You either enter at the bottom or the top, but you enter due to your, you know, all that confirmations, your analysis of the gold trades. Like, you don't enter this trade, because it could come up again to 1910. I'm actually gonna set an alert. I reckon it come up to 1910 to then sell off again. You know what I'm saying? Past 1892 all the way down to 1887/1882 is the target. 1882 is the main target. So now, but I've got a main target in my head, 1882. So I'm not touching the markets until 1882 is here, because that means I was correct about the market direction, and then price will collect orders there and continue to go buys on a bullish market. It is that simple. You know, I don't have to enter a sell right now. Even though I think it's gonna sell to 1882 and it's currently at 1896, it could be a nice 140 pip move. You don't, you wait. As I said, if it comes to 1910, I'll enter sells to 1882 and then enter buys. That is how you should analyze a chart. That's how you should look at the markets, okay? You shouldn't just enter the market for no reason. You should trade the way that I trade. If you want my help, join up the VIP. You click the bot and basically you just message it /start. It will show the packages. You can cancel anytime. Check out the Discord, because honestly there it's an absolute vibe in there, and we've also got VIP profits. Yeah, it's all transparent. You know, you can ask anyone in that Discord, you know, the members in VIP, ask them how it is. They're not gonna lie to you. You know, I'm not gonna. I love that the community that we're growing, you know, the community that I'm actually got growing in that Discord, and my VIP members, they're actually such nice people. And honestly, like I said, you know, I've only sent one trade, but everyone understands the way that I trade. You don't need to send 5-10 trades and aim for like 1%. Take, you know, like an SL 20 pip, take profit 30 pips. Like, what is the point in that? There's 0 point. Those people can't trade. The fact that I don't have any urge to enter the market until my setup comes that I've got in my head mapped out, you know, that's the way you should trade. You're not here to make millions of pounds in the first few months, because it's so unrealistic. You know, this game's such a marathon. As I can show you my charts, you know, look at all of my charts. The way that I trade, you know, I wait for the confirmations and then I enter the market. There's no rush. You look at, even on the bullish market, I know it's bullish, but I can get the sells and I can also get the buys, and that's just how it is. That is honestly how it is. It's a beautiful way to trade. I want all of you guys to understand that you don't have to rush your trades. You know, follow my stuff and I'll help you learn. I'll help you trade. Like, there's a member, I'm gonna make a video on it. He just got funded $200,000 using my signals. I'm gonna get him on the channel if he doesn't mind. He's called George. He's in the Discord. You can ask him. He's posted it in the Discord. I can even put it on the screen here. He completed the challenge and the verification through my gold trades. 200k account he is getting. That is absolutely nuts, and I feel blessed that I can change lives, baby. It has been your boy TJ. Much love on the analysis. You guys are absolutely awesome. Make sure if you are new around here, you do subscribe to the content. You can like it, set your comments, see if you like my strategy, see if you like the way I trade. I want to know, you know, as I said, risk management, risk reward, and sniper entries are the key things in trading. It has been your boy TJ. Much love and the support. Take it easy, stay safe trading, and peace, baby. Let's go, baby.